If you guys are wondering what these are portable humidifiers. I do have the machine ones, but I'm putting these all over the house because we have a pretty humid home, and I'll show you later kung ano itsura ng mga gamit na. Pero paparating kasi na bagyo, and these are gonna be super helpful to keep the humidity out, lalo na parang makulub-kulub sa loob ng bahay, and to avoid molds. So ito yung kakatanggal ko lang. You know, it's all used up when it doesn't have like the white beads anymore, and you have all the water in there. And this is just in my work area. This is a pretty okay room. I have the windows open, but ganito pa rin kadami yung moisture. So this is very helpful for me to avoid mold, lalo na if marami kayong parang mga kahoy-kahoy sa bahay, like yung mga particle board na items. This is very useful. And to think, meron na akong ganitong humidifier ha. Pero ganito pa din kadami yung nakukuha ng water. I'm just putting them all around the house, like especially in this area where I have all my bags up, para lang safe, you know, just so I know that that's not gonna have any mold. See, ito pa yung isa, so wala na rin siya, tatanggalin ko lang and replace it with a different one, and baliktad siya. And we're all set. I'm gonna leave it in the yellow basket if you're interested.